So hi everyone, for this video I choose the straight line depreciation method, one of the most commonly used ways to calculate depreciation and engineering economics accounting. Objectives of this topic describe the straight line depreciation method in its purpose in evaluating an asset value. So demonstrate deeper knowledge by discussing important factors, formula, and assumption of the method. Apply the method in solving a practical sample depreciation problem. Compute and interpret the annual depreciation and book value accurately. Straight line depreciation method. The straight line depreciation method spreads the loss in value of an asset equally over its useful life. So it assumes that asset will lose the same amount of value every year. So meaning yearly depreciation. So decrease in value of an asset due to usage or passage time. So to have a deeper explanation, so here how it works. So when a company buys an asset like a machine or equipment, its value goes down over time due to usage or aging. So the straight line method calculates this decrease using the simple formula, which is this formula small d, which is our depreciation, is equal to the first cost minus salvage value over n, which is useful life. Now, let's solve an example problem, which is a machine has an initial cost of 80,000 and a salvage value of 20,000 after 8 years. So, first is to find the annual depreciation, and the second is the book value at the end of 5 years. So, makita na to dire, we have a given, which is first cost is 80,000, then salvage value is 20,000, then n, or the useful life, is 8 years. So, we just substitute all the given into our formula, which is kaning di nga gamay, then first cost minus salvage value over the useful life. So, na-substitute na nato, then we have the answer of 60,000 over 8, which is ato lang gi-minus ang 80,000 o 20,000. So, makakuha ta og depreciation nga 7,500 sa 8 years. And the second one is the book value after 5 years. So, ang formula sa BVM to get the book value is first cost minus the total depreciation. So, wala pa man nato nakuha ang total depreciation. So, napoy formula ang total depreciation, which is DM is equal to D times T. So, nakuha naman natin yung 7,500, tas may given naman dito na ang time natin sa book value is 5 years man. So, we just substitute the formula, which is makakuha tayo ng 37,500. So, meron na tayong total depreciation. So, meron na din tayong first cost. So, i-substitute lang natin, di ba? So, first cost is 80,000, then we minus to the 37,000, which is our total depreciation. Then we get the book value, which is 42,500. So, to summarize, the straight line depreciation method gives the same depreciation every year, making it simple and predictable. In our example, the machine loses 7,500 per year, and after 5 years, its book value becomes 42,500. So, thank you for watching.